Ever feel that post-purchase panic? You're scrolling, find that perfect outfit, treat yourself with Zip Pay, then BAM. Reality hits, that money needs to come from somewhere, and when exactly is somewhere? If you're a Zip Pay user wondering how long you've got to cough up the cash, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Zip Pay repayments, giving you the lowdown on timelines, fees, and how to stay on top of your Zip game. So, grab a coffee, settle in, and get ready to banish that post-purchase panic for good. The Zip Pay repayment cycle, broken down. Zip Pay thrives on a buy now, pay later system, which sounds fantastic until the pay later part rolls around. But fear not, grasshopper. Unlike credit cards with their ever-looming interest rates, Zip Pay offers a clear repayment structure. Here's the gist. Monthly statements. Zip Pay sends you monthly statements outlining your total spending for that period. Think of it as a shopping recap, minus the awkward silence at the register. Repayment due date. You've got until the end of the month to settle your entire statement balance. This means all those amazing purchases you made throughout the month gotta be repaid in full by that magic end-of-month date. Now, this might sound strict, but there's a sweet little perk. The full balance repayment bonus. If you manage to repay your entire statement balance by the due date, you get a high five and avoid a sneaky little fee, the monthly account fee. We'll get to that in a sec. Basically, pay everything back on time, and Zip Pay lets you shop guilt-free, well, almost guilt-free. The minimum repayment option, not ideal, but a safety net. Let's be honest, life happens. Maybe that unexpected bill threw a wrench in your budget, or you just underestimated the power of retail therapy. We've all been there. In these situations, Zip Pay offers a safety net, the minimum monthly repayment. Here's the catch. The minimum threshold. The minimum repayment amount depends on your credit limit. If your limit is below $1,000, the minimum is $40. If it's over $1,000, then you'll need to cough up at least $80. The sneaky fee. While the minimum repayment option buys you some time, it comes at a cost, the monthly account fee. That $9.95 fee gets tacked onto your remaining balance if you don't pay the full statement amount by the due date. Remember, using the minimum repayment option stretches out your debt and adds fees. It's best to use it sparingly and focus on paying off your balance in full whenever possible. Staying on top of your Zip Pay game. Pro tips. Now that you're armed with the knowledge of repayment cycles and fees, let's level up your Zip Pay game with some pro tips. Automate those repayments. Set up automatic repayments to avoid the risk of missing a due date and incurring late fees. Trust us, future you will thank you. The power of budgeting. Factor your Zip Pay repayments into your monthly budget. This way, you'll always know how much you owe and can plan your spending accordingly. The early bird gets the discount. Whenever possible, try to pay off your purchases before the statement closes. This helps you avoid the monthly fee and keeps your spending in check. The art of communication. If you ever foresee difficulty making a repayment, contact Zip Pay directly. They can work with you on flexible payment options. Remember, open communication is key to avoiding late fees and keeping your account healthy. Zip it up. The bottom line. Zip Pay offers a convenient way to spread out payments, but it's crucial to understand the repayment structure and fees involved. By sticking to your budget, utilizing the full repayment bonus, and planning ahead, you can master your Zip Pay experience and avoid any unnecessary financial woes. Remember, responsible spending is key. Use Zip Pay wisely, and those post-purchase jitters will become a thing of the past. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.